The president of the Swaziland Basketball Association, Nhlanhla Mapanga, has applauded the basketball academies for putting participants in their numbers. We have a report.
Basketball in the country is showing a huge improvement as one of the sports that is loved by many. This is well witnessed by academies that are currently ongoing in different parts of the country that seem to be attracting big numbers. Swazi TV Sports visited two ongoing basketball camps, one in Manzini known as No Limits Basketball Academy and the other one in Bawane known as Nhlanhla Academy. Founders of both academies are very proud of the attendance and believe the sport is growing in the country.
This camp is growing in leaps and bounds. Today we have 80 campers here at this venue, which is a way better number than we've had in the past. We just keep getting better every year, and a lot of new faces as well. Plans for 2017, we're planning to have more tournaments that will incorporate the schools. We have the schools competing against each other and have a league, a schools league, for the schools to participate in, and big and better camps.
This third-term camp, I have about, I think, 24, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's less than the one we had the previous camp, because we found that it's December. Most parents, they want to go for vacation with their kids, so that's why we have a less number this time. But with the other camps we've hosted, we went up to 50-45. For me, that's a good number, because you know, when you have a number which you can control and make sure that you get to each and every kid and see those little bits and pieces of things which you need to fix on those kids.
The president of the Swaziland National Basketball Association, Nhlanhla Mapanga, congratulated both academies for a handful work they are having. Mapanga also highlighted on the performance made by the association during the course of the year.
It's absolutely a fantastic gesture. Both academies are endorsed by the SNBA. We encourage the development of the youth in the sport, the encouragement, the proper coaching. It's important for us to ensure that when people come into the sport, they have the correct basics, not something they just pick up on TV, which is why we encourage these academies. Both these coaches are recognized by the SNBA. They've gone through the initial coaching instructions that they need to go through. And we really encourage this. We'd like to see more. So we've had a very eventful year. And the two academies we're referring to right now have operated twice this year, once in mid-season and now at the end of the year. So it's also a very nice way to wrap the year for the kids. I think it's been a fantastic year, but we've got so much more lined up for next year.
Over 100 school students attended both academies in a space of a week. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musonela, Swaziland Mabuza, Mbabane.